Hi, welcome back to Antai Hospital's YouTube channel, and today's topic will be focusing on adenomyosis treatment without hysterectomy. Yes, at Antai Hospital, for adenomyosis patients, hysterectomy is not your only solution. In fact, at Antai Hospital, we do not recommend hysterectomy for adenomyosis patients or any other patient regardless, only under specific situations where you need to go for hysterectomy, because we believe that there is a hidden pandemic, hidden problem in society worldwide, where many patients are simply going for hysterectomies for treatable conditions, and they are not aware whether or not they are treatable. They simply blindly listen to their doctors, and you must understand that there are several doctors that do not do their due diligence, they do not follow proper procedures, or simply just for an easy paycheck, easy procedure, they simply remove a perfectly functioning, healthy organ, robbing these women of fertility and causing lifelong complications. Very few hospitals will stand out and say these things because they're very controversial, and we also have garnered several hateful comments and attacks from women who have already gone for hysterectomy, and they are attacking us because they believe that we are not providing the proper treatment that women need. We are not saying that you cannot go for hysterectomy. We simply mean that you need to go for it under specific conditions. Don't needlessly remove this important organ. Now, why many patients, when it comes to adenomyosis, why are they blindly going for hysterectomy? Why is this such an accepted norm now in society? When you think of adenomyosis, immediately your doctor goes for hysterectomy. If you talk to your fellow friends and family members who are female who have adenomyosis, who hear that you have adenomyosis, immediately they will recommend that you should go for hysterectomy, and they have gone for hysterectomies themselves and they've never felt better. But at Antai Hospital, we provide treatment for your condition that is not hysterectomy, where you can also enjoy the benefits of having no more pains, no more excessive and abnormal bleeding, and no more fertility issues. All of these we can guarantee without the removal of your uterus, such an important symbolic organ for the female. Isn't that much better, a much better alternative compared to just going directly into a hysterectomy? Many of these patients, they may argue whether there are pros and cons to hysterectomy, but we are simply holding the position of educating you and giving you a second opinion. If you do cherish your uterus, if you do want to protect it against unnecessary hysterectomy, if it's necessary, then we here will not stand against that. You should go for it if it means protecting yourself from cancerous, life-threatening conditions. Go for it. But we are simply saying that conditions such as fibroids, adenomyosis, and endometriosis do not need hysterectomies, and we can guarantee that. We can provide you that treatment here at Antai Hospitals, and that's why we are making our videos to to increase awareness on this topic. Now, I won't go on anymore on why you shouldn't go hysterectomy or why you should go hysterectomy for certain conditions. But for adenomyosis, you definitely do not need to. If you'd like to find out more information on hysterectomy, please check our previous videos on this, and I'd like to continue on the adenomyosis topic. So many of our patients, they're suffering from excessive menstrual pains, abnormal bleeding, and also abdominal pains, pain during intercourse, infertility, and miscarriage. This is characteristics of adenomyosis. So our treatment here, as I've explained previously, we have an ultra minimally invasive laparoscopic technique for the removal of these lesions. Yes, you have presence of these lesions within your adenomyosis, within the uterus of your uterine walls, the uterine muscle walls, displaced endometrial tissue. Now they are shedding and bleeding, causing the pain, and they affect the entire organ, causing it to swell, causing you to have abnormal bleeding patterns, and excessively as well, leading to excessive pain. So our treatment, simply we use laparoscopic techniques, or doctors with their experience and expertise simply only remove the abnormal tissue, which is the lesions, the adenomyomas, and we keep and retain the normal healthy tissues. So only parts of the tissues will be removed, and we don't want these tissues. And upon recovery within a week, you can go to any other third-party hospital, clinics, go for an ultrasound, you will realize that these lesions are not present anymore. This treatment comes with a full refund guarantee. If you do find any lesions present, if you go for another ultrasound to check after the surgery, then we offer you full refund guarantee. And this is a testimony to our skill, to our word, and our guarantee that we offer our patients. Many of our patients have already received this treatment, and they've gone on to have perfectly healthier lives, no more excessive bleeding, excessive pains, higher quality of life, and given birth to many children as well, without losing their organ. This is the most important key here. There are several techniques that we can offer here at Antai Hospital without removing the organ and having your condition treated. And there will be no recurrence as well. And if you do find recurrence, whether or not there's lesions still present after receiving our treatment, or if you still miscarry, then a full refund guaranteed is yours for the taking. And not to say that that will happen, it's simply our testimony, our word and assurance that we offer our patients. Trust in Antai Hospital, because we have been doing this for 20 years and we want the word to spread. Many women are needlessly removing their uterus for unnecessary conditions, treatable conditions. So if you want your life to be better, if you still want to keep your uterus, to increase fertility, to have more children, and to not suffer lifelong side effects, please get in touch with us, whether it's endometriosis or adenomyosis. We can have it treated at Antai Hospital. So please leave me some feedback down below. To get in touch with us, visit the website in the description box down below, and stay tuned to the next video.